Food with Vincent. Hi, I'm Vincent.
I'm Vincent.
And today we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies. Do you like chocolate chip cookies? First, add the baking soda to your flour. We need it later, so set it aside. Add butter, sugar, and brown sugar and mix until fluffy. Add salt, vanilla, and eggs. Mix well and then add the flour. Add the yummy chocolate chips.
What a mess.
We'll clean it up and we'll be right back.
Is the cookies ready yet?
No, we have to scoop them.
Okay.
Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Set the timer for 12 minutes and then we're checking. Our cookies are ready and they smell so good. And our whole house smells like cookies. I want to show you how it looks like inside.
I want to do.
That's cool.
That is cool.
Let's do our taste test. We kind of do this with our dad. We put it in the milk, we eat it, and then we drink it. Thank you for watching our video. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, goodbye.
I will see you in our next video.